welcome back. This is Erica right here. I'm a tiny citizen, currently living in America. Cooking and traveling are my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. I make kitchen trivia short and Asian home cooking recipe on this channel, so if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. Today we're making a super famous Chinese chicken cuisine from Sichuan, the Laziji, aka Sichuan chili chicken, or Chongqing chicken. This is a legendary dish invented in the late 19th centuries, and it is known for its dramatic amount of chili in the dish. Despite its deadly, spicy look, it is actually pretty delicious. I'll teach you later how to keep the look but lower the spicy content as much as we can. The most traditional Sichuan Laziji requires 3 different types of chili, and it has to have more chili than the chicken. It's almost like a treasure hunt to look for your chicken inside. And because it's normally made with whole chicken, the chicken will come with a lot of bones. Now that even this dish tastes amazing, but the amount of chilies in there and the bones in there, you have barely any meat to eat really. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the minimum ingredients to make the Sichuan Laziji with also boneless chicken. So screenshot! Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's recipe. We'll need some chicken thighs, oil, garlic, ginger, Sichuan pepper, dry chili, Shao Xing cooking wine, rock sugar, and scallion. For marinating the chicken, we'll need some soy sauce, Shao Xing cooking wine, egg, starch, and olive oil. For the chicken, really you can use any type of chicken you want. You can use a whole chicken, chop them into small pieces with bones in it, or you can get the boneless chicken, either chicken thigh or chicken breast. With or without skin is your personal preference. I like the one with the skin, but all I have today is skinless chicken, so whatever works for you. And today I'm using a combination of 2 different types of chili. One is the lantern chili and the other one is the normal common seen dry chili in the market. In the description box down below, I'll link some different options for you to choose if you don't know what type of dry chili you can get. There's a lot of usage for this kind of dry chili in our Chinese cooking, but most of the time we probably need 3 to 5 chili per dish, so getting a small bag will be enough. First things first, let's prep our chicken. Cut your chicken thighs into 1-inch slices and put them into a mixing bowl. If you prefer to use chicken breast, that's also fine, but because of the breast is drier than the thighs, I recommend cutting them even smaller so you can cook them faster to preserve the moisture. To marinate, add soy sauce for flavoring and cooking wine to cover up the gaminess. Also, a little bit of egg white to make it more tender. Use your hand to mix them well in one direction. The egg white can make the chicken more tender, but all you need is a little bit, don't overdo it. Keep massaging it till you can feel it is a little bit sticky, then you can add in some starch to seal up the juice. And then a little bit of oil to prevent sticking. This is a standard way to marinate animal protein in Chinese cooking. They'll do this with chicken, pork, and even beef sometimes. Now let the chicken marinate for around 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll take care of our chili. Today I'm combining the lantern chili with some common type of dried chili pepper. If you have only one, that's no problem. The lantern chili is the least spicy chili that I can get here. It is used to provide the color and aroma for the dish. So if you want a chili look but you don't want it to be too spicy, this will be your best option. To prepare them, cut the chili up and let the seeds fall out. The amount of seeds in these chili will not taste pleasant in the dish, so we'll get rid of them as good as we can. Just use your hand as a sifter and sift out the seeds. You can wear a glove during this process if your skin is sensitive. The pungency can stick on your hand and translate it to other parts of your body. If your skin is sensitive, it might cause irritation and redness. I learned it the hard way. Also, if your spicy tolerance is lower, you can soak your chili in cold water for 3 hours and change the water up to 3 times to eliminate the spiciness as much as possible. But if you're doing this, make sure you're soaking your chili before you marinate your chicken, obviously, because that only takes 10 minutes. Over marinating your chicken can destroy the texture and make it mushy and too soft. Now all the ingredients are ready, it's time to cook. First, we want to stir fry our chicken to be almost well done. Traditionally in this dish, the chicken will be deep fried till crisp, but I always like to avoid deep frying at home because it's just a pain to clean. So today we're just gonna use a little bit more oil to pan fry them. Heat up your wok and add in some olive oil. Wait till the oil is hot, add in your chicken. We want to fry the chicken till it's a little golden, but not overcooked. So we'll use medium-high heat here to achieve that. Now your chicken is ready, take them out and set aside. If your wok is clean, no need to wash them, but because I flipped my chicken a little bit too soon earlier, you can see that there's some residue on my wok. So I'll wash it real quick. Now I'm gonna heat up the wok again and pour in the oil from the chicken. It's okay if it splashes like this because there's also a lot of water content in the mixture. Just let the water evaporate and the oil is still good to use. Now the oil is hot and the splashing has stopped. You can add in your Sichuan chili pepper, ginger, and garlic. Stir for around 5 seconds till aromatic, then add in your drained or unsoaked chili. You can see that after stir frying, the chili has a shiny and bright red color. That's a sign that the flavor is starting to release into the oil. Now you can add in your following ingredient, the peanuts. Stir fry it for around 1 minute to crisp up the peanuts, then you can drop in your chicken. Give it a few flips. Then dig a hole in the center of the pot and add in your chili bean sauce. To get the best flavor out of this sauce, we'll have to let it come in contact with hot oil and heat to release the best flavor. The main reason why we're using this sauce in this recipe is to color up the chicken a little bit to match with the chili color, but traditionally your chicken will be deep fried to golden, so if you choose to deep fry your chicken earlier, you should skip this step, but if you stir fry like me, add in some chili paste. Now the chicken looks beautiful. We can add in some cooking wine from the side of the wok for aroma and some sugar to balance out the flavor. Give it a few flips, add in your scallion, again, flip, 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 and done! The Chongqing Chicken, aka the Sichuan Laziji, is ready. Wow, look at this beautiful color. The chicken is juicy and tender, the peanuts crispy, and the chili is obviously spicy. This dish is super mouth-watering and it pairs excellent with a bowl of rice or a pint of beer. Enjoy! Thank you for cooking with me to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it's gonna help my channel a lot. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!